What's up, folks? My name is Brett, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Evasi0n jailbreak that just came out yesterday, and I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your iOS 6 device. So let's get started. Alright, so the compatible devices that work with this jailbreak is basically every single device that can run iOS 6. Now this includes iOS 6.0, iOS 6.0.1, iOS 6.0.2, and iOS 6.1. So basically any firmware that you're on that is running iOS 6, so that means the iPad 4, the iPad 3, iPad mini, iPhone 3GS, 4, 5, the iPod 4th generation, I think even a 3rd generation if that still runs iOS 6, but also the iPod Touch 5th generation, and yeah, as I said, basically any device that runs iOS 6 can use this jailbreak. All you need is a computer that runs on either Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. So if you have any of these, you're pretty much set. It is the most versatile jailbreak out there. Alright, so to get started, all you need to do is scroll down till you see official mirrors, and then choose one of the operating systems here. There's just 3 different servers you can download from. And so in my case, I would download the Windows version. I've already gone ahead and done this, and oops. So it should show up as a compressed zip folder, at least on Windows, as I said. On other operating systems, it could be something else, but in this case, just extract this and it should lead into this folder here. You'll get the Evasi0n application here. You just run as administrator, just a good idea to do that. And plug your device in. I have an iPad 3 Wi-Fi version on 6.1. I've already gone ahead and plugged this in. Let me just zoom out here for a second so you can see that a bit better. So there, that should be good. So all you need to do, again, just back up your device before you do this. It's a very good idea in case something goes wrong, and you can have the most up-to-date backup available. Okay, so with our device plugged in right there, just click the jailbreak button here. Make sure there's no passcode on this, or else it will not work. Just remove the passcode temporarily for this jailbreak to work, and click jailbreak, and it should start working here. Just zoom in it there so you can see, and I did this already with my iPhone 5. It's already jailbroken. It's the exact same process for every device, so it should not matter. And just retrieving information from the device to generate jailbreak data. This took about, I'd say 5 minutes or something like that to get through, and just after that, as the whole city is set up, I felt so rusty being away from a jailbreak for so long. I don't remember the last time I had a jailbreak. I think it was during the summer or something like that. But it was certainly a long time ago. It's definitely very snappy on the iPhone 5. And people have been saying that LTE does download the changes and release data quite a bit faster, which I have noticed. I did that today, actually just a few hours ago, and it is quite fast. Yesterday, however, everybody was crashing the server and or the servers, and it was just so slow. But now, I was using it today, and it seemed quite fast. I guess all of the traffic has started to slow down a bit more to a reasonable level. So that's good to see, and still is retrieving information. So hopefully it will get through this quick. And I'm just going to cut this out until something happens, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so looks like it's injecting the first jailbreak, or first stage of the jailbreak data. Still nothing happening on my iPad. Actually, this is Tap It. It has shut down, so I can't use it right now. And yeah, this looks something like that. Man, that looks really a lot of fingerprints on there. So let's see, what is it doing now? Waiting for device to reboot. Do not touch your device. Okay. I'm just going to zoom out a bit here so I can show you the iPad a bit better as it's doing stuff. Okay. Just got this to the side. Okay, so it has booted up. Still don't touch your device. It's still doing stuff. I don't know why the screen is so dark. But I'm just going to leave this alone. It's going to do stuff in the background right now. So it's going to have to restart. It's injecting the second stage. And just all that good stuff. Going to zoom back in. Something like this, Windows Explorer pops up, you can just close out of that. iTunes shouldn't pop up. The program has a blocker, so iTunes does not start up. But if it does, you know, in some certain or some weird case, just close iTunes so it doesn't bugger this up. So it is doing some other stuff. It's uploading Cydia to the device. Still leave your device alone. Do not touch it. And to continue, now we need to zoom back out again. It's basically saying to continue, please unlock your device and tap the new jailbreak icon. Only tap it once, and then it will go black and return to the home screen. Okay, so let's just get my iPad a bit brighter here so you can see this. And make that a bit brighter. Okay, so here is the new jailbreak icon right there, so tap this, and there we go. It did stuff, it closed, and now the Evasi0n jailbreak is back to doing stuff. So the device should restart here in just a second, and then we're going to see some cool splash screens show up. So still usable. Jailbreak is complete. It is now going to do some stuff on the device. So, as you can see there, nothing is completely done. The bar is all the way to the side. So just wait for the iPad to boot up here in just a second. Device may restart. So that's what it says in the back there. So just waiting for this to do something. There we go. There's the Apple logo. And here is what we're talking about. Okay, it's in landscape on the iPad. That looks so messy. Actually, that kind of seemed a little fast on the iPad 3. On my iPhone 5, it did take a... I think it took a few... oh, wait, never mind. More stuff. Disregard that. Yeah, I got a better grip on this. So now it looks like it's just cleaning up some stuff. This is the final stages of the jailbreak process. Done. Continuing with boot. So looks like it's going to be back up and running. I like the logo. It looks it has the E for Evasi0n. And there we go. So the iPad has finally booted up, and we can start using this now. So if we just go over here, you see Cydia. So we can tap this, open it up, and prepare the file system. So this will take just a bit. So I'll get through all this hopefully quick, and because the servers are now quite a bit faster. This doesn't have anything to do with the servers too much, but at least the initial setup should be quite a bit faster compared to last night or yesterday. Alright, so the my iPad has finally finished the whole file system thing, and yeah, aren't we cute? So let's go back in here and load up Cydia once again. And so this is where you choose who you are, and I like the developer settings. I like seeing everything else extra there. So let's let it load up here, and get this. Boom! We now have Cydia on our iPad 3. And of course, again, this works for any iOS 6 firmware, whether it be iOS 6, iOS 6.0.1, iOS 6.0.2, and iOS 6.1, and this works on any device. So now I'm going to go install all my Cydia tweaks that I like on my iPad, and that is pretty much it, guys. Big thanks to the Evaders team for their awesome work with this jailbreak, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you know where to leave them down below, down there, and that's pretty much it. So hope you guys have a nice evening, or whenever you view this, morning, day. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, see you guys. Peace.